Print-on-demand (POD) is an online business model in which customized products are created and fulfilled only after an order has been placed. Printful is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create, print, and sell personalized items through your own web store or an e-commerce platform such as Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, and much more. It offers a diverse selection of printed products to which you can add your own branding or designs using Printful's product template builder, which includes an easy-to-use design tool. They also offer a wide range of goods including t-shirts, hoodies, hats, posters, throw pillows, mugs, jewelry, tote bags, stickers, phone cases, and more, allowing users to make products with their own branding and have it printed whenever an order is placed without any upfront inventory or financing. Printful provides an end-to-end solution for businesses looking to make a wide range of custom apparel available to shoppers. By handling the manufacturing logistics and providing all the necessary tools and resources to help you easily integrate the dropshipping process into your e-commerce website, it provides a convenient way for sellers to make sales on their online store and get products in the hands of customers without needing to maintain a warehouse full of inventory. Printful is very transparent about their product and shipping rates, allowing you to quickly assess the prices and determine your product markups. They also offer design, photography, and branding services to ensure your products appear their best. Furthermore, Printful has warehouses all around the world, allowing products to ship fast to your clients while also avoiding shipping and duty expenses on localized items. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this print-on-demand tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Printful review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Printful. What does Printful really do? Printful is a revolutionary print-on-demand service designed to help e-commerce businesses print custom products, automating and streamlining operations related to on-demand printing, order fulfillment, and shipping processes. With Printful, merchants can create personalized designs, print them on clothing items, accessories, appliances, and other products, and track sales. Each of these can be customized via Printful's drag-and-drop product designer. Importantly, every Printful product comes with detailed product descriptions and mock-up images that can be imported easily into your chosen sales channel. Printful allows employees to categorize products in online catalogs, run marketing campaigns, track inventories, and generate sales reports on a centralized platform. Administrators can use the built-in mock-up generator to create print-ready files, mock-ups, and customize digital shops to streamline marketing operations. The platform provides white-label features, allowing firms to personalize retail items with unique logos and packing slips. Printful also allows managers to view and manage customer feedback and product ratings. Benefits and key features of Printful. Some of the benefits and unique features of Printful includes 1. Unmatched customization. With Printful, the ability to put your brand front and center is second to none. You have full control of what your customers see and the designs you make available. You can even create custom packaging and inserts that have equally high print quality. 2. Efficient automation. Printful automatically takes care of all orders on your store, including inventory, packing, and shipping. This takes the hassle out of manual fulfillment and makes it so you don't have to physically manage orders to make money. 3. Branding services. Printful is different in that it offers several branding options to help sellers create a more unique experience. Some of these services include packing inserts, brand stickers to place on shipping boxes, and inner and outer shirt labels. 4. Product creation tools. Printful offers a large variety of customizable print items. Once selected, you can easily design and brand these products using Printful's intuitive product designer. 5. Fast and efficient shipping. Printful has local fulfillment centers strategically located throughout the globe, which results in fast delivery speeds and competitive rates and shipping costs. 6. Seamless integration. Printful integrates with and adapts to the business you have already built, so you don't have to manually handle each customer's order and submit them to Printful yourself. 7. Printful Mockup Generator. With Printful Mockup Generator, You can try your designs on their products, either to get a sense of what the final product would look like or generate product photos for your website. 8. Warehousing and order fulfillment. Because Printful offers dropshipping services, you never have to handle storing, printing, packing, or shipping your products. Printful also offers warehousing and fulfillment services where they store and ship non-Printful products for merchants. This can be an attractive option for online sellers who don't want to operate a warehouse or handle shipping and fulfillment themselves. Printful's pricing and plans. Printful's pricing tiers are adaptable to the needs of individual customers. Their pricing model is based on the product's catalog and numbers of orders. If you sign up with Printful using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and increased profit margins on all your orders. How to use Printful. Using Printful only require 4 easy steps, which include: Step 1. Create a Printful account using the link in the description below. Step 2. Upload your custom designs or use the Printful AI-powered mockup generator. Step 3. Choose products to sell your designs. Finally, Step 4. Link your products to their website or chosen sales channels such as Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and others. When a customer purchases an item, Printful automatically fulfills the order and ships it directly to the customer. You never need to handle the product or deal with packaging and shipping. Pros: high-quality printing capabilities with a large variety of products to choose from. Automate your business with their e-commerce platform integrations. Built-in mockup generator with white label packaging options. Products ship out products to customers, on average, within 3 days. They offer personalized branding options such as adding logo stickers to packaging or custom packing slips. Printful ships items again in the event that they are lost or damaged in transit without additional cost. They don't require any minimum purchases. You can order as little as 1 item at a time. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: Printful's unlimited design and discount offers are only available online when you sign up with the link in the description below. Conclusion: Printful is an efficient all-in-one solution for e-commerce sellers and business owners looking to offer custom-made goods and apparel on their websites. Having a tool like Printful at your disposal means your designs have the ability to hit the doorsteps of customers in no time. Printful offers the best dropshipping service when it comes to apparel, accessories, and homeware printing and distributing. They have a large offering of high-quality products, and they strive to get it right every time. Printful also goes beyond simply offering a dropshipping service, as they aim to improve sellers' experiences by working with their sellers to continuously improve the products and services they offer. Merchants highly recommend Printful because of its consistent quality, flexibility, and excellent customer service. It seamlessly integrates with e-commerce platforms and includes unique features such as sleeve prints, private label branding, and white label packaging. The service manages all logistics, from printing to shipment, and ensures quality control. Its design editor is powerful and provides free mockups. Printful users value its fast and responsive customer service, competitive base pricing, and possibility for enhanced profit margins. The program's flexibility allows business owners to adjust their plans accordingly to find the perfect fit. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Printful. If you enjoy this Printful review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.